Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you an incredible application that I've been using for quite some time, and it's a complete media center. It's not only an application that gets certain things, it's complete media center, which means you get everything. Everything that you could ever imagine is there. So much content, so much stuff. So let me show you how to set up your Firestick, how to load it with many applications, including this best application. So the first thing on your Firestick, you want to go to the hamburger menu, and once there, fly right over to settings. Now once in settings, what you want to do, you want to go to My Fire TV or My Device. Okay. Now once there, you see I have developer options. Perhaps you don't have developer options, which is fine. You want to just click on the About button. In here, you see my device name, Fire TV. Firestick might say for you. Whatever it says, click on the device name 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It says no need. You are already a developer. But if you're doing this for the first time, it'll say something like, congratulations, or now you are a developer. So when you click back, you should have those developer options, which now means we've done the first step successfully. Now, once you do that, press the home button. Now in the next step, we're going to go to the search, and let's type this in. I'm going to search for the following application. Okay, once you type it in, click and highlight it and search for it. Now when this application comes up, it should be an orange icon, big D right in the middle. You want to click on that application. Okay, and then you want to press the download button. Now it's going to download our application here. When it downloads, it's going to open it up, or you can press the open button just to test it, to make sure that it's working properly, that there's no parse errors and there's no issues with our application. So it's going to queue it, and then it's going to install it, and then it opens it up for us, as you can see here, or open it up, make sure it works. It works. Great. The next step, we're going to hit the home button. And once we do that, we're going to go to the hamburger menu again. We're going to go to settings, and we're going to go to My Fire TV, My Device again. We're going to go to developer options, install unknown apps, and we're going to turn that to the on position just like that. Now once we do that, all you want to do is press the home button and scroll down here, and you want to open up our application once we set the right permissions. Now, this is going to be very easy to do. All you have to do, you can see the mouse cursor. I can move it around left to right. You want to move it all the way up, scroll up like this. I'm going to put a yellow little highlight here. Click inside of here, and you want to put in the following URL. So we're going to put in the following URL. Okay. Just like that. Let's put that in. And once we do that, all you have to do is press the next button. Put this exact URL just like that, okay? If something doesn't work, make sure you have HTTP or HTTPS, but you can try this first. And if something doesn't work, always check the pinned comment and description. But this should generally work. Once you type that in the URL bar, press the next button. Now you'll notice it'll start connecting and downloading. Now this is a wizard, okay? You're going to press install on the wizard, and now once it's done, all you have to do is press the done button. Now the next step would be to delete the installation files for the wizard. Now let's press the home button once you're finished that, and we're going to go back to our hamburger menu, go back to settings, My Fire TV, My Device, developer options, install unknown apps, okay, and flick that to the on position, okay? Now once you do that, press the home button, and let's start up the wizard by clicking on it. The wizard starts up. It'll look something like this. And press I'm on wall power, because we're connected to an actual outlet. So make sure you're in a physical outlet, not running the power to your Firestick from the actual TV. Make sure we're plugged into an actual power outlet, okay? We're on the Fire TV device, that's correct, continue. We have enough space to install apps, continue. Now it's going to go to the VPN section. Now for this one, we want to choose the correct VPN. You can use any of these VPNs, but I recommend using IPVanish because it works the best for, in my opinion, for this application. Let's click on IPVanish. It's going to take you to another screen. Now, this application will require a VPN. Things are just not going to work. You're not going to get the content. You're not going to get stuff on it. It's just not going to work correctly. So make sure you get a VPN. It's also going to give you access to the store. Get access to more than 60 applications in the store. It's going to allow you to get into the store and download them, and even just download the store. Sometimes people can't even download the store if they don't have a VPN running. So I highly recommend getting a VPN. Now, you can scan this barcode with your iPhone or with your Android camera phone, whatever phone you're using, tablet, whatever. Scan this barcode or go to the link in the pinned comment or description. There's a link there. You can click on that link and all those things take you to the same place. Now, that's going to take you to a landing page where through this special offer, I want to be very transparent, you're going to get 80+% off, which means $2 a month and change for an account. It's a cup of coffee per month. That's going to give you full access to everything. Okay? And people often ask me, they say, NewTek, do I need a separate account for every Fire Stick in my house? Or that's not the case. You can run as many devices as you want. This works on iPhones, Android phones, Fire Sticks, on TV boxes, Google streamers, NVIDIA Shields, Android TV, MacBooks, Intel PCs, all across the board. One account gets you covered. And through the special offer, once you scan this and you're on that page, on their landing page for this app, choose your package. Like I said, once you choose your package, you're going to save more than 80% off. And it's going to be $2 and change. Sign up with your email address, create a password. Now, once you do that process, save that information, write it down, and then come back and say, I've signed up and continue. So pause the video if you need to take care of that. And once you take care of that, say, I've signed up and continue. So I already have an account. So I'm going to say, I've signed up and continue. It's going to say, do you have your account? And as you know, we've signed up. We got our details. We signed up with the email and password on that landing page that we scanned. And IPVanish sent us a confirmation link. We confirmed their account. And through that link in the email, that congratulations, you've signed up for IPVanish. You're going to get an email like that. We confirmed that through our email. And now we got our account and we're ready to log in. Let's press yes, continue. It's going to take us to the next page. I'm going to press the download button. That's going to download and install our IPVanish VPN. Once it downloads, it's going to open it up and install it. If it doesn't open it up, you can press the middle of the D-pad to open it up after the installation process. So here we are. It starts up and it's going to look like this. Now, once it starts up and looks like this, all you have to do is press the login button. Now, here's where the details come in. Remember when I told you to sign up, you have your email and your password. You're going to plug it in here and you're going to press the login button. If you didn't get a chance in the first step to sign up, and you can do it right now as well. It's the same barcode right here on the screen. That's still going to give you 80% off, $2 and change per month. Also a link in the pinned comment description to get you started. It's going to, like I said, that's going to give you full access to the store. It's not going to prevent anything from loading. Things are just going to work. So make sure you get that protection if you haven't had it done. Okay, so I'm going to log in with my email. So you would pop in your email, you would pop in your password and press the login button. Now once I do that and I log into my account and you would log into yours, follow the same exact steps to set this VPN up exactly for our application. I'll show you exactly how. Okay, so I'm going to log into mine. I'll see you in the next step for the setup. Now once you sign with your details, it'll look exactly the same. All you have to do is hit the gear icon, say connect Android startup. It's going to connect when our device starts up. Auto connect on IPVanish launch. So when we launch the VPN, it will auto connect. VPN protocol is going to WireGuard. Okay. Keep everything the same. You don't need to change anything here. WireGuard protocol, which is by default WireGuard. Click the back arrow, go to location. Now this is important. It doesn't matter where in the world you are. or which IP address you have, you always want to choose United States. It doesn't matter. So we're going to choose United States server. We're going to go all the way and we're going to choose United States. Now, once we choose United States, we're going to say favorite United States. It's going to put a star on the United States. Click on it again and say connect to United States. Now, a screen will pop up and we're going to connection request. We're going to press OK on the screen. And now we're fully protected and fully anonymous. We can proceed to the next step. So let's press the home button, and you'll notice now, when I press the home button, we have our VPN running and our wizard still there. Let's go back and click inside of our wizard, and you'll notice that the wizard is saying, is IPVanish already here? It is. So continue to sign in, and it knows that we're signed in, and it knows that we're protected. So press the home button if you need to do that, because we're looking for this little magical screen that it should say VPN connected. If you got to that screen, that's great. That's what you're looking for. You want to press the continue button on this screen. And now we have a choice of stores here. Now the second store, the code is Firestick, lowercase, no spaces for the second store, for this one. For the first store, there's no code, which I'm going to be using to get this application. Click on the first store. And when you click on it, it'll simply just download it and it'll install it for us. It's that easy. Press the install button and say continue. It's going to say install out of our store. We're going to skip that for now. We're going to skip I'm done. It's going to test our connection. We want to make sure that this app will work and not buffer, and we got a stable, good connection with and with the VPN. So this is really a VPN test telling us that we're good with 4K. So we can stream 4K. Continue, 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 and continue to home. Now you can see we have our store installed and our VPN running, and we're fully protected. Press the home button, and before we start our store, we go to hamburger menu, settings, My Fire TV, developer options, install unknown apps, and make sure we turn that to the on position. Okay? Now let's start up our store. Press the allow button when you started the first time. Now you're going to get a certain pop-up here. It's going to pop up. Okay, we're going to press the X button. This you can watch if you want to watch some content or some videos. This is some content I'm sharing here. You can close that, minimize it, and you'll see all these categories of apps right below. So we want to go down and we want to go to our categories. And this can be found in My Best Apps. So if you go to My Best Apps, it can be found. You can click through these categories and you can explore all these applications. Like I said, I have over 60. So go to My Best Apps and find this application here. Once you find it, click on it, and it's going to download the application. This doesn't require any special player or any special configuration. It just works out of the box. As you can see, the download has started. Now when it's finished, press install, and that installs our application. Press done, and that's finished. Now remember, you can scroll left to right, up and down. You can get as many applications as you want. There's no limits, okay? I have over 60 right now. Press the home button, and that application should appear in our startup screen here any minute, okay? Now I'll show you for this entire process, my VPN was connected and I was protected. If you weren't convinced in the first step that you need a VPN, I'm telling you that you need one because you want to be fully protected, fully anonymous, and you want to continue getting the updates for our apps, continue getting access to the store, and continue getting the content and the stuff and links to show up properly for you. Therefore, make sure you get this VPN by scanning this barcode here or going to the pin link in the pin comment or description. It's the same link and it takes you to the same place. With that in mind, you're going to get more than 80% off for the special QR or the link below in the pin comment description. More than 80% off, which is $2 and change for unlimited devices. You can use as many devices as you want. $2 and change. It's a cup of coffee per month that gives you full access to all this great content and all this great stuff. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. If you could just kindly comment right below this video. If you like this application, if you're using any other applications, how did you find me? How did you find this video? And just drop a comment below. I haven't put a pin lock or any lock onto my store, but if I do put anything like that in the future, basically you will need a 4-digit pin. you'll be the first ones to know, because if you comment on my video, I'll reply with that pin right below the video if I ever do implement that. Okay, so make sure it's very important to comment. You can say anything. Hi, bye, how are you? I'm using this, anything you'd like. Also, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. I have new videos and new stuff coming out every few days. You want to be the first one to know about the hottest app before anybody else has it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notified when the new application is out. You'll be notified through YouTube and you'll be able to know about these applications, okay? Now, also the final thought, I don't ask for money donations. I would love if you share my video with your family and friends. That would be incredible. That would be amazing. I would be ecstatic. So please share this, help somebody else out. Since I helped you out and you want to help somebody else out, share this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Have a wonderful, beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.